Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is about chapter number 2, and the chapter number 2 has the name that is the quadratic functions. Okay, so we have to start from this starter activity. So first of all, you can see that factorize these questions. So how we can factorize these questions? First of all, you have given that 6x square plus 9x. You can see that in both terms 3 can be taken as common, and x is also can be taken as common, so you can write it as 3x as a common. So what is left at that spot? It will become just 2x plus what is left at this term, that is 3. So it means that this is the factorization, that is 3x into 2x plus 3, right? This is your solution. And also for part B, you can see that 2b square plus 8b. Now you can take the common as 2b. So what is your answer? It will be b plus 4. Okay, third one is this one. So if we take common 9m on both, from both terms, your answer will be qm minus 3 simple. Okay, the next one is this one. So if you take 9x y as a common, because here we have x smaller, here we have y smaller, so it means that in both terms we have the common term, that is x and y, and the number is 9. So if we take 9xy as a common, so what is the left term in place of this first term? That is simple y, right? And what is the left term on in the second term? That is x, right? So this is your answer. Do you have any problem in this question? Okay, after that we have the second question, second starter activity, that is factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. So first of all, we have to find the pair of the numbers. The pair of the number has two characteristics. If we multiply this pair, the answer will be 18. If we add the pair, the answer will be 9. So we can find the pair as here 18. So 1 multiply by 18, this is your first pair. Multiply, when we multiply this pair, your answer is 18, but when we add or subtract these numbers, your answer will not be 9. So it means that this pair cannot be used. Also the second one is 2 multiply by 9. So this is also the second pair. Multiply, when we multiply this pair, your answer will be 18, but when we add or subtract, your answer will be 11 or 7. So this is not 9, so that's why this also will be neglected. The third one is 3 multiply by 6. So the pair given as, when we multiply these numbers, your answer will be 18, but when you add these numbers, your answer also will be 9. So it means that this is your suitable pair. Okay, so we just use this pair like that. X square is as it is, and plus 18 is also as it is, and this pair is also used by using x with multiplication. So it will becomes 3x plus 6x in the place of 9x, right? So you can take the common in the first two terms x, so it will becomes x plus 3, and also taking as 6 common, so it will becomes x plus 3. Now you have two terms, just first term is this one, second term is this one. So what is common in these two terms? The common is x plus 3. So the rest term is x plus 6. Understand? So this is your factorization. Any problem? Again, if you are finding the value of, you factorize x square minus 7x plus 12. So first of all we have to find the pair in which we multiply the pair, and your answer will be 12, and subtract or add this pair, your answer will be 7. So you can write it as 1 multiplied by 12. We multiply these two numbers, your answer is 12, but when we add or subtract these two numbers, your answer will be 13 or 11. So this is not 7, so we neglect this pair. Again 2 multiply by 6. So multiplication is true, but when we add or subtract these numbers, your answer will be 8 or 4. So it is also not used for this factorization. The third one is 3 multiplied by 4. When we multiply it, your answer will be 12, but when we add these two numbers, your answer will be 7. So that's true, but now we are dealing with negative 7x. So it means that we use the pair negative 3 and negative 4. So if we multiply these two numbers, your answer will be 12, and when we add these two numbers, your answer will be negative 7, right? So it means that this is your required pair. So again we can write it as x square minus 3x minus 4x in the place of 7x plus 12 is as it is. So if we take common as x, so it will becomes x minus 3, and also when we take minus 4 as a common, your answer will be x minus 12, right? Sorry, x minus 3. This is not 12 when we take common 4. So you can see that it will becomes minus, here is plus 3. Okay, so your answer will becomes x minus 3 when we take common, and x minus 4, right? This is your answer. Do you understand the factorization method? Again, for this one we can also use this method. For DE also use this method. This is very convenient and simple method. Also for the starter activity third question, you can see that factorize x square minus 9, right? So how we can factorize it? That's so simple. Here we use the formula of a square minus b square. So if we have this type of terms, you can open this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, right? This is your expanded form of this formula. So here we have x square minus 9. So first of all we can write it as x square minus 3 square. At the end we can write it as x plus 3 and x minus 3. This is the factorization of this type of the expression. Again, this is x square minus 25, so we can write it as x square minus 5 square. So it will becomes x plus 5 and x minus 5. Okay, next one is 9x square minus 16. So 9x square can be written as 3x whole square minus 16 can be written as 4 square. So 3x whole square minus 4 square, so it can be written as 3x plus 4 and also 3x minus 4. So this is your factorization. Again, for the part D, you can see that 25x square, that can be written as 5x whole square, right? Minus 16, that can be written as 4 square, so it will becomes 5x plus 4 and 5x minus 4. All the parts in question 3 are examples of different of two squares. Okay.